Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm CA Rishabh Bhavka, and today we are starting something exciting, a brand new series on Power Query. Whether you're a student, accountant, or data enthusiast, Power Query will completely change how you handle messy data. In this video, we'll understand what Power Query is, where to find it, and why it's such a powerful tool. Think of Power Query as a magic tool inside Excel and Power BI that helps you clean, shape, and prepare data without writing any code. It's like a personal assistant that takes care of data cleaning so you can focus on analysis. If you're using Excel, go to the Data tab and you'll see Get and Transform Data. That's Power Query. In Power BI, it opens up automatically when you click Transform Data in the Home ribbon. It saves time and automates boring repetitive tasks. You can import data from multiple sources, clean it, and refresh it with one click. The best part, you only do the work once and then it runs every time your data updates. Let's import a sample table and do a quick transformation. See how easy it is to remove columns, change headers, and apply filters, all with just a few clicks. Alright, so let's get started with the cleanup process. And first, we see our data as to how messy that is. We see the customer names are not properly recorded. We are seeing missing quantities, missing amount, missing sales rep names, as well as missing notes. So, what we do, we open Excel, we'll open a blank workbook. We go to data, get data, and then we import that Excel workbook where we have our messy data. We'll browse through the file and then boom, we have our data. Our data was in sheet 1, so we select sheet 1, we see our data, and then we click on transform data. Now this will open the Power Query editor. We have our data. Now one by one we'll check each column for anything that we can improve upon. So order ID seems fine. For customer name, we see there are a lot of null values, so we're gonna uncheck, and you can see whatever steps we are taking over here is being recorded in the right hand side of the screen. You see how easy this is. Instead of writing a bunch of formulas or going through a lot of things, it's just easy. Just select and your work here is done. So for quantity, what we'll do is we'll replace the errors. We see a lot of errors in the quantity column and we'll replace it with 0. So everywhere there was an error, it's now 0. For rate, we'll do similar thing that we did with quantity. So for rate, we are going to do the same thing. We'll replace values, then we'll replace it with we'll replace errors, and then we'll replace all the errors with 0. Good to go. And then let me just have a look at it. Seems fine. Yeah. We also have an option of fill down. So wherever the rate was null, it has taken the previous rate. This depends on the situation, but yeah, you have this option. Whenever you want to just take the upper data, you can do it. We see the amount column here is null. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add additional column, and that would be, we're gonna do add column. We'll add an additional custom column, and then the custom column will contain the formula which will multiply the quantity. We'll name as a recalculated column, and we'll put in the formula as quantity into rate, and then we'll have our results for the amount. We drag our recalculated column over the desired place, and then I think we can remove the initial amount column. Just right click and remove. For sales rep, again, what we can do is we can replace the values which are null to someone named Smith. It's that easy. For notes as well, uh, wherever there are null values, maybe we can replace it with all good, or maybe we can just put in OK, and here we go. For quantity, we replace null with 0. For recalculated amount as well, for the null values, we change it to 0. And we click File, Close and Load, and in a couple of seconds, we'll have our data freshly formatted. And the best part is that since these steps are recorded, you can put in any other file, change the name, upload and refresh, and then all the steps would be applied automatically. That's your quick introduction to Power Query. In the next videos, we'll dive deeper, cleaning messy data, combining sheets, merging tables, and more. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with what you want to learn next in Power Query or Power BI. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, and if you're a CA student or analyst looking to learn data tools. Catch you in the next one.